As Google's flagship smartphone series, the Pixel has gained a loyal following for its clean Android software, advanced camera system, and useful features like the Google Assistant and the now playing song recognition. Despite some hiccups in the past, such as the Pixel 2 XL screen issue and the Pixel 4's poor battery life, the Pixel line has generally delivered solid performance and updates. Rumors and leaks about the Pixel 8 are starting to emerge, giving us a glimpse of what Google might have in store for its next-gen device. From the camera setup to the display design, the Pixel 8 leaks suggest that Google is pushing the boundaries of mobile technology once again and aiming to compete with the likes of Samsung, Apple, and Huawei in the premium smartphone market. Let's take a closer look at some of the most intriguing Pixel 8 leaks and speculations and see what they could mean for the future of Google's flagship phone.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
Although there has been no official confirmation or promotion from Google, we have now caught a glimpse of what could be the highly anticipated Google Pixel 8 Pro. This smartphone is expected to be released sometime this year, and the leaked images could be our first legitimate look at the device. SmartPrix has collaborated with OnLeaks, also known as Steve Hammerstoffer, who has a reputation for revealing information ahead of time. Based on the latest renders, it's likely that the leaked information about the Pixel 8 Pro is relatively reliable. However, despite the anticipation, the overall design of the Pixel 8 Pro remains similar to its predecessor with some minor changes. The most noticeable difference is the camera bar located on the back of the device. Although the Pixel 8 Pro retains its triple camera system on the back, the camera configuration appears to have been reworked into a single unit, resulting in a cleaner look compared to its predecessor. Notably, the camera flash has been enlarged and relocated to accommodate an additional sensor that has been incorporated into the camera bar. However, there is no information available about this new sensor, leaving room for speculation about its intended purpose. According to the website, the Pixel 8 Pro is expected to feature a 6.52-inch flat display with a camera hole cutout position towards the top center. The device will have smaller dimensions, measuring 162.6mm in length, 76.5mm in width, and 8.7mm in thickness. While additional information is not yet available, the website suggests that the upcoming smartphone will be equipped with a brand new Google Tensor processor manufactured by Samsung. Several months ago, it was rumored that the primary camera of the Pixel 7 would undergo a significant upgrade, which would likely become a major selling point for the Pixel 8. As per Google's past practices, it's expected that the company will differentiate its premium devices based on memory, and hence the base model of Pixel 8 is expected to come with 8GB of RAM. It's yet to be determined if the upcoming non-Pro Pixel 8 will upgrade from its predecessor's 90Hz display refresh rate to match the Pixel 7 Pro's 120Hz support, which is highly desirable. However, due to the reduction in size this year, it's unlikely that the screen resolution will exceed Full HD+. As for the battery capacity, we hope it will not be significantly reduced as the increased overall product thickness suggests. In short, the leaked information and renders of the Google Pixel 8 Pro have generated excitement among tech enthusiasts, hinting at an improved camera system, a new processor, and a smaller yet sleek design. While the leaked information should be taken with a grain of salt until there is official confirmation from Google, it's clear that the Pixel 8 Pro is shaping up to be a promising addition to the Pixel lineup. As always, we'll have to wait for the official launch to see if Google can deliver on the hype and expectations. That's all for today, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.